This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops from pool noodles. First, gather your essential crafting supplies. You'll need 1 or 2 pool noodles, a sharp pair of scissors, and a reliable hot glue gun. Don't forget your wooden dowels for the sticks and some vibrant cellophane to wrap them. Finally, have ribbons and any extra decorations ready to add that special touch to your fun, oversized treats. Now let's get to shaping our lollipops. Take your pool noodle and cut it lengthwise into strips, each about 1 inch wide. The length of your strip will determine the size of your lollipop. Once cut, carefully begin coiling each strip tightly, creating a neat spiral. When you reach the end, apply a small amount of hot glue to secure the coil, ensuring it holds its round, lollipop-like form. With your coiled noodle shapes ready, it's time to add the sticks. Take a wooden dowel, which will serve as your lollipop stick, and gently push it into the center of the coiled pool noodle. Once positioned, apply a generous amount of hot glue around the base of the dowel where it meets the noodle. Hold it firmly for a few seconds to ensure a strong, lasting bond, making your lollipop sturdy. For the final step, let's make these lollipops truly pop. Take a sheet of colorful cellophane and wrap it around each pool noodle lollipop, just like a real treat. Gather the cellophane at the base of the noodle and tie it securely with a festive ribbon. You can also add extra embellishments, such as glitter, stickers, or even small bows to personalize each one. Now you have delightful, oversized lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.